Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, November 4th, 2024, we're diving deep into the Meta stock market, exploring current news and examining its chart data to see if we can decipher the trends and predict where the stock might be heading. Recent news headlines suggest that Meta Platforms is continuing to see strong revenue growth, driven by their investments in artificial intelligence, AI. This is particularly noteworthy considering the recent concern among investors regarding AI spending by tech giants. Analysts are optimistic about Meta's potential to reach the $2 trillion market cap club by 2026, citing its dominance in social media and its successful AI initiatives. Despite the positive news, Meta stock has been experiencing some downward pressure, with some investors citing concerns about Meta's AI spending and its impact on earnings. The current Google search results for Meta indicate that there is a lot of interest in the stock's future prospects and potential. Let's turn our attention to the charts to see if we can gain a better understanding of what's driving Meta's current price action and what we might expect to see in the future. Looking at the daily chart, we see a strong upward trend in Meta stock over the past few months. The stock price has been steadily climbing, breaking through previous resistance levels with relative ease. This suggests that the bulls are firmly in control of the market for Meta, and they're likely to continue pushing the price higher. The recent downward pressure we observed in the news is also evident in the chart, as the stock has pulled back slightly from its all-time high. However, this pullback appears to be a healthy correction, and the overall trend remains bullish. The daily chart also reveals a series of higher highs and higher lows, which is a classic sign of a strong uptrend. Let's zoom in on the past month to get a closer look at the recent price action. Over the past month, we can see that Meta has been consolidating, trading within a range of approximately 50 points. This consolidation phase is often a prelude to a breakout, either to the upside or downside. The bulls have been fighting to maintain the upward trend, but the bears are trying to gain control. The recent earnings report from Meta might offer valuable insights into the direction of this consolidation. We need to carefully analyze the 1-hour chart to see if we can identify any breakouts or reversals that might signal the direction of the next major move in Meta stock. Switching to the 1-hour chart, we can see a bit more detail regarding the recent price action of Meta. The stock has been consolidating between the 580 and 590 price levels. The bulls have been unable to push the price above the 590 level, while the bears have been unable to break below the 580 level. We also see some clear support and resistance levels within this range. The 585 level appears to be a strong support level, as the price has bounced off this level several times in the past week. Conversely, the 590 level seems to be a significant resistance level, as the price has been unable to break through it. If the bulls can break through the 590 level, we might see a significant upward move in Meta stock. However, if the bears manage to break below the 585 level, the stock could see a further decline. Looking at the 15-minute chart, we can gain even more insights into the short-term price action of Meta. We can see that the stock has been trading within a very tight range, with the bulls and bears battling for control. There have been several instances of false breakouts, where the price has briefly broken through a resistance level only to quickly reverse. This volatility suggests that the market is still trying to decide on the direction of the next major move. We need to carefully watch for any clear breakouts or reversals on the 15-minute chart, as these might give us an early indication of where the price is headed. Let's recap the key takeaways from our analysis of Meta stock. The overall trend on the daily chart is still bullish, but the stock has been consolidating over the past month. The 1-hour chart reveals a tight range between the 580 and 590 price levels, with potential breakouts at 590 and 585. If the bulls can break through the 590 level, we might see a significant upward move in Meta stock. However, if the bears manage to break below the 585 level, the stock could see a further decline. The 15-minute chart shows a high degree of volatility, indicating that the market is still undecided about the next major move. We need to carefully watch for any breakouts or reversals on the 15-minute chart, as these might give us an early indication of where the price is headed. It's important to remember that technical analysis is just one part of the equation when it comes to trading. You should always consider the fundamental news and events affecting the company, as well as your own risk tolerance and investment goals.